Hi guys, welcome to SUDEEPVERSE, and 30 days remain for the upcoming UPSC Prelims exam 2026, and I don't have to tell you or remind you because every day that is what is running in your mind. Now understand that irrespective of what you did before, what you are going to do next is what really matters. The next 30 days will define the success for you in this particular exam. So please make sure that your strategy is well laid out and you have the blueprint of what exactly you should do day in and day out for the next 30 days. Here are a few pointers that I would like to tell all my students with my experience for this UPSC Prelims exam, and the first pointer is mindset. Understand that mindset is everything in this exam. This exam is more psychological than intellectual, so you have to maintain that positive mindset. I understand that the exam is uncertain. I understand that there comes no time when you feel that you are perfectly prepared for this exam, and that is completely fine. Just make sure that you make peace with it. Just make sure that you are okay feeling uncertain. You have to bring that mindset where you tell yourself that everyone in this country who is preparing for this exam will not be certain, will not be sure, and that is okay. The next pointer is how many cycles of revision should I do? Now, there are 30 days remaining. Let us remove the last 2 days before the exam as buffer days. So you have net 28 days remaining. So either you can divide your cycles of revision as 14 plus 14 days, or you can divide them as 18 plus 10 days. Whichever is suitable for you, try to make sure that you take that up. But what is very, very important is try to at least revise twice whatever basic subjects that you have studied, because revisions are the most important part of this particular exam. The third point is very important, so listen carefully, because many students will commit the mistake in this particular part of their preparation, and that is balance your GS with CSAT. Understand that CSAT is going to be difficult. They are not going to make it easy, so please don't neglect CSAT. Irrespective of whichever category that you fall, you're scoring very well or you're scoring marginally, it really does not give you any scope to neglect CSAT. Every day, please make sure that you spare 2 to 3 hours and make sure that you practice your CSAT. The more mock tests that you solve in the CSAT is much better strategy than sitting, taking your own time and trying to build your competency in one particular topic. Please don't do that in CSAT. Try to take more mock tests and solve those mock tests, because mock tests are the ones that will help you balance your reading comprehension, your quantitative aptitude, and your logical reasoning equally. The fourth pointer is till what date should I keep solving the mock tests? Understand that with my experience, you can solve the mock tests, both CSAT and GS. You can solve the mock tests up to May 10th. Till May 10th, you can go ahead and take the mock tests of both GS and CSAT, and the more you solve, the more competency that you build. So please don't take mock tests just to judge yourself. Take the mock test with an attitude that it is an opportunity to evaluate yourself. It is an opportunity to test how good you have understood the basic subjects. So don't look at mock tests as liability. Don't look at mock tests just as a scope to learn more. Look at mock tests to validate how well you can apply your skills to deduce the answers even on those questions you have not studied in the books. Always use mock tests in order to enhance your skills, and don't see mock tests just as tools to learn something new. And so, please take mock tests till May 10th, both GS and CSAT. The fifth point is the importance of previous year questions. From May 11th till May 23rd, I would want you to spend more time with the previous year question of UPSC and not with the mock test of the coaching institutes. The previous year question of UPSC is very important both in GS and CSAT, because it helps you understand the standards, it helps you understand the format of the questions, it helps you understand the language used in the paper, it also helps you understand how UPSC while framing the question will make the statements wrong, how UPSC while framing the questions will put some hints and clues in order to deduce the answer even though the question is difficult. So these are some things that you should observe. These are some things that you will observe if you spend more time in the last 1 week to last 10 days while preparing for this exam with the previous year questions. Again, the next pointer is very important because many students are at fault in this pointer, and that is stick to your fixed sources. In the last 1 month, many new sources will be coming to the market, and it will be very tempting for you to take that book and read, because the marketing only would have been done in such a way that if you read that book, you will clear the exam. So please don't fall to such marketing traps. It is okay that 1 or 2 books, very small sources, you can read for 1 day or half a day or 2 hours. That is completely fine. But please don't replace what fixed sources that you have already studied by substituting that source with a completely new source. This is a wrong strategy. So the pointer is, please stick to your fixed sources. Please revise the books that you have already read and revise them more number of times rather than going to a new source. And that is a very, very important principle. And please make sure that you remember that. The fifth important pointer is health. The reason I say this is because this exam is more psychological than intellectual. In the beginning, I told you have to maintain a positive mindset. And if you have to maintain a positive mindset, you have to have a very pristine mind. And that pristine mind comes if you are taking care of your sleep cycle and if you are eating better. So please make sure that you take care of your sleep and your diet, and automatically your mind will be in the pristine condition that is necessary for this exam. Finally guys, stop searching for a secret book, a secret course, a secret mentor who's going to help you clear this exam. At the end of the day, the one person who's going to help you clear this exam is you. So start believing in yourself, start believing in your preparation, just focus on your process, forget the outcome and give your best for the next 30 days. If you can do that, no one can stop you from clearing this exam. I'll see you again guys, but until then, keep working hard, keep preparing, and don't forget to enjoy your preparation. Bye.